I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a video to understand how to find fifth root of numbers. Now the process is exactly similar to what we did for square roots and cube roots, right? So we'll follow exactly the same process. The idea is, first step, you have to remember fifth power of first 10 numbers, okay? So here's a list. If you really want to do it without calculator, that is a must. Otherwise, you can keep this list handy, have a look at it, and then solve. Now in this list, you will notice that the last digit is exactly same as that of the number. So that's a good part in fifth root. For 1, the last digit is 1. For 2, it is 2. For 3, it is 3. 4, 4, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 0. Okay. So that is one thing. So last digit is known. That means the last digit actually corresponds to 1's place. So we can straight away write down at least one digit as our correct answer without any difficulty. So for this, it is going to be 7. Here again 7. Here it will be 4. Then so many 7s we have taken. Okay, 9. And here it is going to be 3. Now the question is, how to find the other digit, right? The tens digit, how do you find that? So like in the previous cases, what we are going to do here is, we are going to again group them into two numbers, two groups. Since we are doing fifth power, one group will be of 5 numbers from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is how you have to group. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know the first group, and from the first group, without thinking, just pick up 1's place. So the last digit, that is critical. Now you have to think about 10's place. How do we get that? Well, for that, we are going to look into the other group, 143. Now 143, fifth power, where does it fall? It falls between 2 and 3, right? 143. So this number is 2. Take the lower one. Of course, we can go to 3. Take the lower one. In this case, it is 13501. So 13501 falls here between 6 and 7. So we'll take 6. Next group, the number is 76. 76 is above 2, below 3. So this number should be 2, right? So 24 to the power of 5 is 7692624. So I hope you got the process of doing it. Now next number is 2293. So 2293 will come where? 2293 below this, right? So it is 4. So we get here 47. Now the next number here is 604. 604 is between 3 and 4. So we'll take 3. Now here we have only number 24. That means 1. So 19 to the power of 5 will be this number. And in this case, the number is 69568. 69568 is above this, so this number has to be 9. So that is how you can get the fifth root for perfect number with the power of 5. So I hope that is a simple process. So what you have learned here is that for square root, cube root, fifth root, it is almost a similar process. What you really need to remember is first 10 powers with that power, correct? Then you can easily find their roots. I am Anil Kumar. In this particular video, we will see how to find cube root without calculator for perfect cubes. What you really need to know is cubes of first 10 numbers by heart, or like we have here, a list of numbers and their cubes. So for learning process, I have the list right there. 1 cube is 1, 2 is 8, 327, 464, 5125, and so on, correct? To find the cube root of any given number, what we really need to know is the last digit of any cube. Now in this series, you can see that most of the last digits are same as the number itself, right? Except for 4 exceptions. For example, for 2, the last digit is 8. Similarly, for 8, the last digit is 2. Do you see that? So that is flipped. We also have a flip for 3 and 7. For 3, the last digit is 7. Similarly, for 7, the last digit is 3. But for all others, 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 0, 0. So that is how the last digit is for each number. Now in this series, what we have to do, we have to divide them into 2 groups. So we have to have 2 groups. So the first group will be for 3 digits. Since we are doing cube root, it will be 3 digits. This will be our first group. Okay, so I'm just dividing all, and I'm taking first 3 from the right side as one group, right? So that becomes one group for us. The idea is to find cube root of all these perfect cubes. We'll do it in a minute. No time taken. How do we do it? Now, most of these numbers which I've taken, they are all 2-digit numbers. I mean, their cube roots is 2-digit. Now, in the first one, you can see the last digit is 7. So, what is the value of n for which last digit is 7? We know the rule. For 3 and 7, it flips. 2 and 8, it flips. Correct? So, we can write down here, flips for 2 and 8 and 3 and 7. Correct? So, 7, we know the last digit 7 is for 3. So, in ones place, we get 3 as our result. Second step is we have to see the other group. The other group now in this case is 79. Now go through the cube list. What comes up to 79? It is 64, which is 4 cube. So the number here is 4. So 43 cube is 79507. So the answer for this is indeed 43. I hope you got the process. Let's do it once again. The second example here is 636056. We have divided this number into 2 groups. 056 is my first group from the right. Last digit is 6, and therefore my ones number is also 6. Since 6 cube is 216 ending with 6, correct? The other group here is these 3 numbers, 636. Where is 636? 636 is kind of here. If I go to 9, it goes over 636. So we have to limit ourselves to 8. So the answer is 86. So cube root of this number is 86. So I hope it is not very difficult. Let us do one more. Okay. Let me take a smaller number. 3 digits, first group, last number 9. 9 remains as such. Right? So 9 and 9. Do you see that? 6. Well, 2 cube is 8. Only 1 is the option. So 1 and 9 is the answer. So we get 19 cube is 6859. So I hope you find it very simple and easy. Correct? Now let's take a bigger number. So we have 195112. Last digit is 2. 2 and 8 flips. So the last digit is 2 for 8. 8 cube is 512. So ones place you get 8. Now, for getting the number on tens place, 195 comes where? 195 is between 5 and 6. We'll take the lower number, 5. So the answer is 58, correct? So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Go through this video. Try to find the cube roots of these numbers and use calculator. Write your own numbers and practice, correct? I hope you should not have any difficulty. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe, that will be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.